What is going on, family? Welcome back to the channel. So today is a very exciting day for myself. This is the first time that I have ever purchased a power adder for any car. I'm not talking about like, you know, cold air intake or little small things. I'm talking about like a real power adder, okay? So I'm going to present to you guys what I got. Here is the C5 Z06. It's a little dirty. It's a cloudy day, so you may or may not be able to tell, but let's go ahead and reveal. So start a countdown. 3, 2, 1. Dun dun dun. Boom! Look at that. I'm super excited. So I bought a nitrous kit. I got it used, so I didn't buy it new, but it came with a good amount of stuff. So there's a few things that I do have to get. I have to get the jet still, but it came with 3 bottles, obviously. This bottle is supposedly brand new, which it does look pretty new. And it's filled. This bottle is full right here. This bottle, they said was full as well, but it may be about half or 3/4 of the way full. And then we got the NOS that is not full at all, but it comes with pretty much everything that I need. So here is like a bracket for the nitrous, and I don't know if I'll be able to really use this just because of how tight it is in here. Let me see if I can position this. So essentially we'll have to sit this way. I got this amp that's in the way. That thing is not wanting to cooperate. So I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna really, I mean, it's almost perfect size, but with the bottle tilted, I don't think that it's going to fit. So I may have to come up with a different bracket. Let's see if it was in there like that. I don't know, maybe it'll fit. So yeah, I'm super excited. This is the kit here. Again, it's used, but it has the proper solenoids I needed. So I got a purge port. I have a nope. This is the fuel. This is for the fuel. This is for the purge. And then I think this is for the nitrous. Okay, so nitrous, purge, and then fuel right here. Yep, so I'm super excited. Now I don't know much about nitrous, so I am going to have someone either do it for me or help me with it. And yeah, I'm hoping to actually do it myself so I can learn about the process myself. That way if something does happen, something gets loose, I know what I'm looking at and I know how I can fix it if I need to in the spur of the moment. Okay, so I'm going to try to see if I can put one of these bottles in this bracket. So I don't know, I can't get this one over here on, but I ain't gonna worry about it now. It's not like I'm about to hook anything up at the moment. All right, so I can't get it, but anyway, I think the problem is that this bracket right here is bent and that it's not allowing it to go on. But either way, I have nitrous, so I'm excited. So I need you guys to help me with something. Where should I have the purge come from? So I've thought about a few things, but again, I'm not that familiar with nitrous, so I don't know if they will work. So one area that I thought about was right here in the front vents, right? Have it come from here. That would look tight if I was at the track or wherever I may be, but I don't know if airflow, of course it's not going to block any airflow, but I don't know if air flowing to the purge port or whatever it may be would be an issue. If it needs to be somewhere where it's not going to be tampered with for the most part by any air. The second part I thought about was maybe like here somehow. Now that may be a safe bet because there's no air that goes in there. I mean, air comes out, or it's supposed to. I don't know if that's for brakes or for styling or what. I would think it's for, I don't know. I would think that's for maybe cooling off the brakes. That way air can flow, and then aerodynamics with it being held here. But anyway, it could come from there. I don't know how, but I thought it coming from the Z06 emblem, but I would have to do some cutting more than likely. And then I just thought about this here, was it coming from down here. That would be sick as well. And actually, if I can tuck it like here, which it'll be hard to get to that though, but if I could tuck it down there, then again, it wouldn't have anything to do with any airflow. And yeah, so I want to do something different. I don't want it to come from here, anywhere in here, because it's so typical, you know, coming from the hood area. I mean, it's so generic. I want to be a little bit different when it comes to that purge. So I don't know, what do you guys think? So again, I'm super excited. Glad I finally got something. Now my goal is only to spray 100 shot. Okay, I'm going to take it easy at first. I want to get accustomed to nitrous, and then if I can get tuned and get all this other stuff done, then I'll go to a bigger shot, maybe 150. But for now, I'm going to keep it where it is. Now I would prefer to have a supercharger, just because it's a safer bet, and I may even go turbo later on. But you know, supercharger is just the safest bet to me, or pro charger. I love that sound. You know, when you let off that shh, that's what I really want. I just want the sound. I don't care about the power. I care about the power. Anyway, this is it. Oh, here's another area, which again, that's an air duct, so it may not work, but you know, where do you guys think the nitrous should purge? Help me out. I appreciate you guys tuning in. I appreciate you guys watching the videos, subscribing to the channel. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, go ahead and do so. Go ahead and follow the project of the C5 Z06. It needs some work done. We're in the process of getting it done, and we're going to be doing a lot of events this summer, this spring. So if you don't follow me, follow the car. All right, I'll catch you guys next time.